Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to export your presentation on the Keynote application to Keynote 09 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application, search for the Keynote application, enter to open up the application. Now let's go to File, go to Open. This will take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this, go to Open, wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, now go back to the toolbar, go to File, go to Export to. As you can see in the previous tutorials, we have exported to PDF, PowerPoint, a motion picture, animated GIF, a folder of images, as well as HTML. Now we will export to Keynote 09, so this will be compatible with the previous versions of Keynote. It should still be compatible with this version of Keynote when we export to the older version. So let's now click on Next. Presentation.key, save that to the desktop. Well, let's just change the name of this file, as if we save as presentation.key, it will rewrite the whole file. Export. So some changes were made to your exported presentation. The curved shadows and contact shadows were converted to drop shadows. Web videos were converted to images that link to the source videos. Emphasis bills were also removed. That's okay. Let's click on OK. Let's now go to the desktop where we have presentation1.key. Double click on this to open up the Keynote presentation on screen, and there we go. So let's just pretend that we are using a Mac computer from, let's just say, 2008, 9, 10, 11. With the old operating systems, whether it's Snow Leopard, Lion, Mavericks, and whatnot. And there you are working on your Keynote presentation. So let's just pretend that this is now ready to work on. So we can now quit presentation 1. We can now quit the Keynote application. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.